In this tutorial, you will learn how to make these histogram in Microsoft Excel. It is quite easy to form this histogram in Microsoft Excel 2016 because you don't need to calculate anything. Just enter data and it will automatically form this histogram. Then you can conditionally format this graph. So let's start this tutorial about histogram. I have already entered the data. You can see here I have 60 apples and their weight is given here. So I want to make histogram. So firstly I select this data, simply go to insert, and here you will select histogram. It formed histogram, but it's did not look appealing at this time, so I will format this graph. Firstly resize it. You can also use the chart style from here, or its color. You can change its color, or you can use quick layout which is available here. So I will not use this option. I will use plus sign here. Axis options are already checked. Axis title I will select here, and in chart titles already select, and data labels. So first chart title, frequency distribution of apple weight. Select this one, go to home, select black. There's spelling mistake, distribution. Next format this axis, and it is the apple weight. Frequency or apple weight, a number of apples with specified weight. This is the class boundary. So I will remove these lines. If you want that these lines should appear in your graph, then you can keep these lines. Temporarily I will remove these lines. Select this axis, right click, go to format axis, and here you can change the minimum and maximum values. I will keep these values, I will not change them. Or here you can see that maximum value is 24, then I can change it to 25. Display unit not tick marks. If you want to show tick marks, select this option, and outside go to fill option. I want solid line. You can change its color using this option, and width using this option. Next you can also change these labels. Now go to axis option, and these are already selected. You can use 3D shape if you want to use them. Next, select this up x-axis. Firstly, solid line, similar formatting as we previously used in y-axis. Go to this option, axis option. Here you can use the bin setting. Bin is the size which in this area. This area is called one bin. So you can control the bin width using this option. Currently the width of bin is 31. Difference between these is 31. I can change it to 20. So you can see here it form graph and the options are changed. There's other options are available as in this axis. You can also change these number of bins. Currently it is 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You can also change these bins and Excel will automatically calculate the data. You can use tick marks outside. We have completed the formatting of these axes. Now you can also change the data labels, their positions and their font size or whatever you want, their color. Next, select this data and go to fill option. You can change the size of this the color of this histogram, solid fill and border line, solid line. You can control the width of this line. We have change the bin number, so its axis we can change this axis now because the maximum number which show here is 16, while here uh, y-axis shows values up to 25. Select and here you can select 20. It will become more visible and appealing. That's the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.